Microsoft 365 accounts can be hijacked in as little as 3 seconds. This isn't a theoretical vulnerability, but a practical exploit abusing existing features. We'll explore ConsentFix and ClickFix, two methods that leverage OAuth application consent and user interaction to gain unauthorized access, often before you even realize it. ConsentFix exploits the OAuth application consent model in Microsoft 365. An attacker registers a malicious application, then crafts a phishing email or link. If a user clicks this link and grants the requested permissions, like read mail or send mail, the malicious app receives an access token. This token allows the app to perform actions on the user's behalf without needing their password. The user sees a legitimate-looking consent prompt, but the underlying permissions are broad, giving the attacker persistent access to their account data and functionality. It's a social engineering play on a technical framework. ConsentFix targets permissions, but ClickFix exploits user interaction with legitimate Microsoft 365 pages. We'll see how a simple click can open the door to account compromise leveraging existing sessions. ClickFix leverages the Open a New Tab feature within Microsoft 365. An attacker sends a link that, when clicked, opens a legitimate Microsoft 365 resource like a SharePoint document in a new browser tab. Crucially, a malicious script simultaneously executes in the background of the original tab. This script uses the user's existing authenticated session to perform unauthorized actions. For instance, it could create an inbox rule to forward all incoming emails to an attacker-controlled address. The user sees a valid document, completely unaware of the background activity. The real leverage here isn't in finding zero-day vulnerabilities in Microsoft's core infrastructure. Instead, it's in the clever abuse of legitimate features and human psychology. Both ConsentFix and ClickFix rely heavily on social engineering to trick users. ConsentFix exploits the trust placed in OAuth consent prompts, while ClickFix leverages the expectation of a benign outcome from clicking a link within a familiar environment. The 3 seconds isn't about a system breaking, but about the speed of a user's click and the immediate execution of a pre-staged malicious action. These attacks highlight that the weakest link often isn't the software, but user interaction. Understanding these mechanisms is key to building effective defenses. Next, we'll look at practical mitigations. In my lab, I focus on several mitigations. For ConsentFix, regularly auditing granted OAuth application permissions is critical. Review which apps have access to your data and revoke any suspicious or unused ones. For ClickFix, browser extensions that block automatic script execution or provide more granular control over tab interactions can help. More broadly, training yourself to scrutinize URLs and consent prompts even from trusted sources is paramount. If something feels off, investigate it before clicking or consenting. It's about building a habit of skepticism. Understanding these attack vectors is crucial for anyone managing their own digital security. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into cybersecurity, home automation, and other technical projects from my lab. Let me know in the comments what other attack techniques you'd like to see analyzed.